Grandma took pretty good care of Maddie last night. It was Derek's birthday, so they didn't get back till about 3, but we took her home from the restaurant at about 11. She was a good girl, although had a little trouble sleeping. I moved that just in time.
That's pretty good timing, honey. She probably feels a little better now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Nothing personal, Grandma. Newborn's got to do what a newborn's got to do.
She's got hiccups now. She got hiccups yesterday, too. She doesn't like them. Coming up here. She got hiccups.
Good hiccups.